Hi, we're going to learn the dance on Taylor Swift's song Opalite, Choreography by Miko, the TikTok challenge. If you're learning French, you can check the tutorial in French. And if you want to practice with the music and the real tempo, you can check my shorts. All the links are in the descriptions below. Please, please, please do not forget to warm up before you start dancing. Super, super important. And if you like the video, please subscribe. All right, so let's start. So we're gonna do in mirror, meaning your right is my left and your left is my right. So the dance is on the chorus, on the third one, the last one. And just before she sings, she's gonna say, ah, and you're gonna run on the spot, or you can turn if you want and have your hands flex. Yes? So on ah, jump. Yeah, so jump, and you're gonna cross your arms and nod your head twice. All right? So she's gonna say, ah, jump, nod, nod. Yes, you're gonna nod on don't you sweat it, baby. Okay? So, last time. So, ah, jump, nod, nod. After, we're gonna do you right arm, boom, left arm, boom. So, right arm stretch forward, thumb up, and you're gonna pull your elbow back. Yes, when you pull your elbow back, you're also gonna bend your legs and sit on that right hip. Yeah, and same thing on the other side. So you've done 1 and 2. Yeah, so same thing. You're gonna stretch your left arm forward, thumb up, and pull that elbow back and sit on your hip. Yeah, on your left hip. Again, so we've been running, jump, nod, nod, and 1, 2. Yes, again, so 1, 2. Then we're going to go forward. Yes, so we're going to step with the right. Yeah, that dance. And you're going to cross, still thumbs up, and open a little bit. So it's going to be on, it's all right. Yeah, so we've been running, jumping, nod, nod. It's all right. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you're gonna do on 1, 2, 3, stay 4. After, you're gonna do this with your hip. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, right hip 4 times up, down. While the arms are gonna do that 1, 2, 1, 2. So your right hand, still thumb up, is gonna go to the opposite shoulder and come back down on the hip. And other arm, opposite shoulder and down on your hip. Yeah? So we've done run, head, head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again from here, boom, 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 boom. And from after the nod. Yes, so we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna do pam, pam, turn. So we finish here, and we're gonna step on the right, step on the left. Yeah, so right, left, yes? Just, it's not really a jump, just like rebound a little bit, yeah? And with the hands, you're gonna cross and arrive like that. Boom. Yeah, so cross, open with your hands flat, palms facing forward. So you were here, you're gonna do step on the right, step on the left, and you're gonna point your finger forward. And then you're gonna turn. Yeah, you're gonna swing, and it's gonna take you around. Yeah? Turning towards you, left. Yeah, so again after the nod, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, stay 4. Yes, so she's saying, it's so right. You were dancing through the lightning strike. Again, that. So from here, it's so right. You were dancing through the lightning strike. Again from the beginning. So we've done run, jump, head, head. It's so right. You were dancing through the lightning strike. Yeah, one last time with the counts. So, no, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, from here, we're gonna do the hips going to the right, to the left. Okay? So that was a mirror. If I do exactly what you're doing, so you're gonna end up this way, yes, with right finger pointing up and the hips gonna go to the right, to the left. Yes? That's what you're doing. That's not a mirror. Yeah, that's exactly what you're doing. So, from here, pam, pam, turn. If I do what you're doing, it's gonna be to the right, to the left. Yes? I'm gonna keep doing the next part. Yeah, so we've done to the right, to the left. From here, we're gonna step with the right, left, right, left. Yes, so you were here and you're gonna step right, left, right, left. So you're gonna do a full turn. You're not gonna go one way and come back the other way, yeah? It's a full turn, yes? So you're gonna turn to the left and then finish U-turn, still turning to the left. Yes? Doing U-way, not mirror for that little part because it's facing back, so it can be a bit tricky. Yeah, so you're gonna do with your arms this movement. Yes? And you're gonna do and going to the left with your body back right and to the left, back right. So this way, left, back, right, left to the back, to the right. Yes? So you point and you're doing hip to the right, hip to the left. We're gonna go to the left side and one, bam, twice. Yes, we're doing that twice, yeah? Again, last time I'm doing it U-way again. So we're here and we're doing hip, hip, hip to the left, right, left. Yes? From the beginning, this time I'm doing everything mirror, yeah? So from here, from the nod with the head, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, one more time, not too fast. So we've been running, jump, not, it's all right. Hip, step on the right, come back, turn, and to the right with your hips, and left, right, left. Yes, one last time. From the knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're gonna do pam, 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 pam. Yeah, so you're gonna stretch your left arm forward, thumb up again. Yes, and you're gonna do pam, 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 pam. So with your other arm, right arm, you're gonna do, you pull your elbow back and elbow back with the thumb a little bit lower. So you pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Yeah, so you're just doing that with your arm. Yes, and you're gonna stretch your legs, bend your legs, stretch your legs, bend your legs. Yes, and you can also pop your chest forward if you want. Yeah, pop, 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 pop. Yeah, so really pop, bend your knees, pop, pop. Yeah, so from here, so we've done right, left, so you right stay back and elbow pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Yes, ta, ta, ta. And then we're going to turn the other way and we're going to do 1, 2, 4. Yes, so same thing. So still thumb both, and you're going to do the left lift, right, left, right lift. Yeah, and you're still going to pop your chest forward if you want. Yes, so from here, so we've done pam, 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 1, ta, 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 other side. Yes, and you're doing also the same thing with the legs. Yeah, so they're straight, they're bent, they're straight, they're bent. Yes. Again from that part. Yes, so pam, 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 and bend, stretch, bend, pam, pam, pam. From the beginning, so we run, not, it's all right. And hip, 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 left, right, left, pam, 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 other side. Yes, one more time, not too fast, yeah? Maybe let's slow down a little bit, yeah? So from the knot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? One last time and then we'll finish it. Yeah, it's almost finished. So from the knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do with the feet. So right on your toes, left on your toes, right on your toes, left on your toes. Yeah, so pam, 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 pam. With the hands, we're going to do to the mouth, flick your hands, down with your hands, flex, just the right hand on your mouth. So, mouth, flick, down, right hand. With the feet and the hands together. So, mouth, flick, down, right hand. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we finish on 1. Yeah, so you just do a little jump. Yeah, you jump on the left leg, and the right leg and the right arm are gonna lift. Yes? So we've done pam, 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 finish. Yeah? Again, pam, 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 boom. So we're done. From here, pam, pam, other side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again. So right, left, and pull you elbow. Other side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. From the beginning. So run, 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 jump. Head, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Again, a little bit faster, trying to do closer to the real tempo. Yeah? Jump. Head, head. Pam, pam. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Last time. And run. You can turn if you want. Jump. Head, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. This is such a fun dance. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.